More than one in it break something. Well, there's a way of doing it. It's definitely some kind of lock tab someplace else. Batteries don't hold for shit. They're jamming in there hard. Where's your screwdriver? Down there. I don't think there's anything else being undone in the center of this thing.
Man, there's a lot of force on that.
Yeah, there's some other tab. Let me see that screwdriver.
No, that tab has to be pushed in.
Yeah.
So pull those back out of there.
Yeah, but that's not even. Let me see that one. See, that's all the way in already. That did the most good there.
Yeah, and pull those little ones out. So you're just wedging it in there with those.
It's all the way in there now. But I think there's still. There's got to be another tab. Something. You just don't see it.
I can tell it's moving. What if we put a little lube?
Lube doesn't work on this stuff. Okay, get a big screwdriver, push on this side. See, that was gonna come over the cane.
Pull on that wire pretty hard right there. Take that wedge out of there.
There's gotta be, there's something on that side, I don't know if that side we looked at already.
Let's just stop filming this for now. Just dead there. Feel it wiggling back and forth.
There's something somewhere for that, whatever. What about trying to jam something in the inside, the back side of this one?
You know what? Instead of that, let's try.
All right, I'll be back in a little bit. We're gonna make a big mess here. All right, finally got the damn thing off. It just needed something we leveraged to. It wound up holding against it. I had this hole with a plier on this, and he leveraged against this to get some torque on it to pull. The lock tab was off. It's broken off. It was so stinking tight together. It was full of dirt and shit, and it's locked solid. See, it's all dirty and corroded in there. See how dirty it is? It's just kind of like concrete set in there. Well, once we got the leverage to pull apart leverage, it pulled. Man, that thing was miserable. That was over a half hour on that one. It's still usable too.
Yeah.
I don't even worry about falling apart. Fucking damn thing. Okay, is there anything else that's missing now? I think we got everything that's in here. What a piece of crap that was. Okay, this has just a push on right here. Okay, that was a ground here.
Okay.
And there's another little one up there that goes up underneath the radio. So that's gonna have to be disconnected, I bet.
I know you heard me on the radio.
Here it is right here. What's that going to go? That's just going to a triple. Okay, that's the ground to the riser. Where that should stay.
Alright.
And then we got one on this side. Okay, we got a wire right here, but that shouldn't be a problem until we pull the tree off.
Yeah.
Okay, and that one's the one we just disconnected. I think I got everything disconnected.
Looks like it. Right?
It should come free just by.
That's that. That's there.
Okay, I think we got everything off that. We still have to pull the switch thing out the front here, but
This guy right here looks like it needs to unscrew probably.
and then the cables are going to be inside of everything. So what's that? It's a button for push button.
Button for
Oh, truck reset. Okay.
this just screws off of here.
Well, usually the outer cap is probably the screw. Would be my guess.
Yeah.
That's how a lot of electric switches are.
It's spinning.
Toggle switches do it that way.
I think it is. Just feels like it's spinning.
Any light on there, my camera helping? Or?
Yep. There we go.
Oh, so it's just a nut. Okay. The
I'm gonna
rubber,
put it right back on here.
the rubber tore off the nut. Okay.
Find it.
Okay.
Probably buy that from Harley for about 25, 30 bucks.
Yeah, pretty much. It's the nut. It's just a toggle switch rubber, sealed toggle switch rubber. We'll hunt one down. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to this, and we'll just see what else has to come off when we pull it
I
off.
think I need to do a little bit of reading here.
Okay, and let's get another towel up here. This one's fine here. One more towel up on here, so it's gonna all lay on top of this bike. All right, what a pain in the butt that was. I can't believe how hard that thing was. That was ridiculous. It shows you what dirt does. Lock stuff in like concrete. Where's your key at?
Stole this thing. What are you talking about?
You don't have a key?
Radio.
As far as I know, you don't need a tool to take it apart. You just need a tool to put it back. You have to line it all. That's what a tool is for. It comes apart without a tool. Okay, he's already got all this disconnected. I think these have to come out also. And I think this is about the way I hold together these two screws here. Of course, this is blocked by that. Hold that in. I think it's just pushed in. It's just pushed in. Okay, this has to be tapped out. I think it's just pushed in. It's behind the Allen bolt we can't get to, so just put like a sock on here. Tap, tap, tap. It'll probably just go. I don't see any kind of retention. I think it's just shoved in a hole.
Okay.
More likely. There was like the cover on here with a nut on it, probably, or originally, or remember? So all you got the two Allen bolts on the fork here is all that's holding this all in here right now. Just these two bolts. And then the bracket to hold up here. That one up there. There it goes. Oh, it's good. Okay. Oh, that's a big nut. That's a nut. Okay, there you go. So we just got the two bolts here, this one and this one up here on each side.
Second.
Looks like that's all it's holding together. The radio should stay with all this. Okay.
Pretty sure we have to pull this ignition before we go any farther with anything.
I think it's just you got to turn it and it just pulls up, but
I think there's a button right underneath here.
it's got to be full lock one way or the other.
Yeah. Let's take a second and do a little research.
Okay, we will be back.